Unity yard. Look within thyself. Check your conscience. Let it set you free. Prince of Peace is here. Nature, Ellis, have no fear. I know the Most High is always near. Them want I to tell lie to me generation, but I got to spread the message of revelation. Them want I to tell lie to the nation, but I is sitting up on a higher meditation. They took our silver, diamonds and gold away, but the love of the Most High is always here to stay. Because of vanity, some lose their sanity. Oh my gosh, what a calamity. Them want I to tell lie to me generation, but I got to spread the message of unification. Them want I to tell lie to me nation, but I is sitting up on a higher meditation. Not everything that glitter is gold. Half the story has never been told. Watch prophecy unfold. Whether you have a lot of money or financially poor, make sure love is in control. Prince of Peace is here. Them want I to tell lie to me generation, but I got to spread the message of unification. The Prince of Peace is here. It's no time to mock and jeer. Stand up on your 2 feet, youth. Don't let them put you on mute. Stand up on your 2 feet, youth. Although they wanna loot and shoot, stand up on your 2 feet, youth. Although they wanna put you on mute, stand up on your 2 feet, youth. Although they wanna loot and shoot. Them want I to tell lie to me generation, but I got to spread the message of revelation. Them want I. Can you hear my cry? The Prince of Peace is here. I'm in another gear. Hey Babylon, I have nothing. I represent the people here, there, and everywhere. Them want I to tell lie to me generation, but I got to spread the message of unification. Them want I to tell lie to me nation, but I is sitting up.